What's going on, guys? Welcome back to G4 Outdoors. Today we're going to play a little game of knockout with shotguns and a skeet thrower, so stick around. Hope you enjoy the video.
Well, here's a little story about two friends that came together, and we started up a YouTube just to talk about whatever. We're on a boat catching big bass and smashing them cats, from review videos to just making you laugh. Cause we got guns, we got knives, we got fishing, we got hunting, we got everything you like, so hit that subscribe button. We're in the outdoors, doing things that we love. We're talking guitars, girls, green grass, and guns.
So these guys were nice enough to let us shoot a little video on this machine out here. So we're gonna end this video off. Randy's gonna play a quick game of knockout with these guys. We're finishing up the clays I have.
Video doorbell.
My doorbell's going off. And yeah, they're out of clay, so we're just gonna finish ours up and play a couple games, guys.
So now is it your shot?
So now it is my shot.
Okay.
You are number 3.
Okay.
Remember that.
Okay. So you'll shoot after him, yeah.
Ready?
Great.
You ready?
Yep.
Okay. So I'm first now?
You're first.
Whose shot is it?
Mine.
His? Here we go. You ready, Randy?
Ready.
Okay, it's getting tight. Here we go. Okay.
You're up.
The tree broke it.
Back on you.
Those are fake.
Well, you guys wanted it hard, I thought. All right, whose shot is it?
Not much more to go. His.
Mine, yeah.
There we go. You ready? Go. If one misses, you all miss it. If someone hits it, you got to keep it going.
I'm one.
Ready?
Ready.
Ready? At least you guys are consistent. Guys, I didn't even get on camera, but Randy, talk about it, man. This is all
Can
you.
I change the rules during the middle of it?
This is all you do when they beat you.
I lost my own game.
So they're still up.
Yeah.
So we got 2 guys left. Randy was first to be eliminated at the own game that he made up in his favor.
Alright, so is he one?
Yep. Yeah. Alright, ready?
Ready.
Watch out for that plane up there, guys. Don't hit that. Randy, how's it feel to be in the bleachers?
Not too good. It really
Coach
doesn't.
put you on the bench, man.
It's cold out here. I'm need to be doing some exercises to warm up.
Who's up? All right.
Last one.
Oh, got him on the last shot.
Give me some of that.
Ran it out.
Good game.
Last shot, he gets the W, man.
Good game. Good game.
3rd place, bud.
Hey,
game to play.
what's your guys' names?
Lucas.
Kendall and
Kendall and Lucas.
So guys, really appreciate these guys over here coming out. No, they didn't come out.
Yeah,
We
they
came
were
over
already
here.
here.
Stole their machine from them. So I really appreciate it, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you very
No
much.
problem. Thank you. That's fun.
That was awesome.
Good game.
So anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this little game, the shooting video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment down below, and we will see you in the next one.
Couldn't wait to get back on stage. Now I'm alright. Hook me up a little appetite for a whole lot of guitars, girls, green grass, and guns.